Welcome back MH Car Review, the channel where we go deeper than the spec sheet, deeper than the brochure, and deeper than every polished press release. Today, we are looking at something that genuinely stopped us in our tracks. This is the 2026 Cadillac Futuristic Motorhome, a machine that blurs every boundary between a luxury penthouse and a vehicle. This is not a camper. This is not an RV in the traditional sense. This is an entirely different category of rolling architecture, and Cadillac has swung for the fences with every single detail. Let us start from the outside, because the first impression this motorhome delivers is absolutely unforgettable. Standing in front of it, you are greeted by a massive panoramic windshield that curves dramatically across the full width of the cab. The body panels are finished in a flawless gloss white, accented throughout by 24-karat gold chrome trim that runs along the roofline, the window borders, the wheel arches, and even the door frames. It is bold, it is theatrical, and it is unmistakably Cadillac. The signature LED grille up front glows in that warm amber gold tone, and the wreath and crest emblem sits right in the center like a crown. Along the flanks, you have panoramic side windows that stretch from mid-body all the way to the roofline, and each one is framed in slim gold trim. The two-story design is what really commands attention. The upper deck sits proud above the main body, and a retractable external staircase on the right rear side gives you access to a full rooftop observation terrace, complete with gold railings. Rolling underneath all of that are custom 24-inch multi-spoke chrome alloy wheels with polished faces that catch the light from every angle. The stance is incredibly low and aggressive for a vehicle this size, and those chrome spokes behind red-painted brake calipers are a visual statement all on their own. At the rear, a full-width LED tail light bar ties everything together, and the overall silhouette is somewhere between a superyacht and a private jet that simply chose to roll on wheels. Step inside and the craftsmanship immediately surrounds you. The entry point opens into a space that feels like the lobby of a five-star boutique hotel. The flooring is polished marble effect composite, the walls are finished in quilted white leather panels with gold nail head stitching, and warm ambient LED lighting strips run along every ceiling edge and architectural curve. The main living area flows seamlessly into the kitchen zone, which is equipped with a full professional setup. You have a built-in espresso machine, an induction cooktop, a stainless steel and matte black oven, an under-counter wine refrigerator, and a waterfall quartz countertop with gold veining running through it. The cabinetry is high-gloss white with brushed gold hardware, and the backsplash behind the cooking area is a hand-laid marble mosaic. Moving further back, the master bedroom suite feels genuinely residential. A king-size bed dominates the space, framed by a tufted cream leather headboard with gold nail head detail. The bedding is layered and rich, the carpet underfoot is thick ivory plush, and on either side you have floating walnut and gold nightstands. A flush-mounted smart television sits on the wall opposite the bed, and motorized privacy shades cover the panoramic windows at the touch of a button. The spa bathroom continues the luxury story with a freestanding oval soaking tub, a rainfall shower with gold fixtures, a floating double vanity with an illuminated mirror, and heated flooring throughout. Then there is the upper observation deck, accessed from inside via a private interior stair, offering seating, open sky views through a retractable skylight panel, and a rooftop lounge experience that is simply beyond anything else in this class. The cockpit is its own world entirely. The driver sits in a full captain's chair wrapped in cream leather with gold contrast piping, facing a dashboard that is dominated by a sweeping 48-inch curved OLED infotainment display. The digital instrument cluster is fully configurable, the center console is brushed gold aluminum, and the steering wheel combines with grain, chrome, and a prominent Cadillac emblem. Ambient LED lighting throughout the cockpit pulses in a soft warm gold, and every surface you touch, every knob, every trim piece, every button feels precisely engineered and expensive. In terms of driving dynamics, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome rides on an advanced air suspension platform that continuously adapts to road conditions, delivering a float-like quality that makes the sheer size of this vehicle almost irrelevant to the people riding inside. The powertrain combines a twin-turbocharged V8 engine with an integrated electric assist motor, producing a combined output in the region of 700 horsepower. That is enough to move this machine with surprising authority, and the transmission shifts imperceptibly through its 10-speed automatic mapping. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree camera systems, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring are all standard. There is also a dedicated onboard generator system that allows full off-grid living with all luxury systems running independently of the drivetrain. Now, the price. This is where the conversation gets serious. The 2026 Cadillac Futuristic Motorhome is positioned as a flagship ultra-luxury product, and the pricing reflects that positioning without any apology. The base configuration is expected to start at approximately $1.2 million. Fully optioned builds with the extended rooftop suite, enhanced solar integration, upgraded audio systems, custom exterior paint programs, and bespoke interior packages are anticipated to reach between $1.8 and $2.2 million. Deliveries are projected for select markets beginning in the latter half of 2026, with production limited intentionally to preserve exclusivity. This is not a vehicle you walk into a dealership and pick off a lot. This is a commission, a conversation, and an investment. So where does all of this leave us? The 2026 Cadillac Futuristic Motorhome is a genuinely astonishing piece of engineering and design ambition. It asks a question the automotive world has never quite asked before: what if luxury had no limits, no compromises, and no ceiling? And then it answers that question in the most spectacular way imaginable. This is rolling architecture at its finest. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe to MH Car Review, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. We will see you in the next one.